You see, here we are talking about the portion of this particular portion of the meat. The size should be less, size should be small. But here they are promoting, the government is allowing them to promote this kind of advertising, which is killing our population. That is disgusting. So obesity is calculated in the form of BMI, weight in kgs divided by height in square meter. And if you have the BMI of more than 25, you are obese. And if you have the abdominal obesity, abdominal girth more than 90 centimeters in males and 80 centimeters in females, you are obese. So you see, one part of the world, they are dying because they have very, very large amount of food, and other part of the story, there is nothing to eat and they are dying because of lack of food. So this is the world today, and obesity is not a laughing matter. See, everybody is having their meal, enjoying their life, and while enjoying, at the same time, they are reducing their life. You see the people at home, family, on television walking dead, and here on the slouching dead. So obesity doesn't run your family. The fact is, nobody runs in your family. Obesity is a disease which kills. So treat before it's too late. And these are the two types of obesity we find in our country, which is very, very particular in our country. This is Indian obesity. And the world is very, very surprised why this is happening to the Indians. Probably there is a reasoning that because of evolution we have changed, but our genome has not changed. It is because of our genome, which is old. We call it in scientifically as a thrifty genes. They say that 10,000 years back, when the people were not lacking food, the genes started accumulating that fat, so that that fat will be utilized in a dire crisis. That gene has remained the same, and socially we have changed in 21st century, but the genes have not changed. Now we have everything good, everything extra, but our genes are saving it in future, but there is no future. So that is one explanation for this kind of apple type of obesity, and this is a pear type of obesity. Here is the classification of obesity. We classify them class 1, class 2, class 3, and so on. So obesity has got one kind of a hormone called as a leptin. This leptin is responsible for the insulin resistance and hypertension. So higher the BMI, higher the CVD risk. So in other way, it is equivalent to your weight. More the weight, lesser the life is the equation of today. So these are the complications of obesity: diabetes, high blood pressure, coronary artery, depression, snoring. Snoring is very, very important side effect of the obesity, and this is causing a psychosocial problem. That is causing the रोज झगड़ा होता है घर में. बीवी बोलती मैं तेरे साथ नहीं सोती हूँ, और हस्बैंड बोलता है मोटी औरत को मैं तेरे साथ नहीं सोता हूँ. Psychosocial stress and coronary artery disease. So it is a one upon one. It is a vicious cycle. जिंदगी की तलाश में हम मौत के कितने पास आ गए हैं. एक दुबला हस्बैंड अपनी वाइफ के साथ सो रहा है और वो बोलता है कि हर सुबह जब मेरी आंख खुलती है तो मैं यही दुआ करता हूँ कि भगवान सबको तुम्हारी जैसी औरत दे. औरत खुश हो जाए, बोलती है अच्छा, तो वो बोलता है हाँ, आखिर मैं अकेला ही क्यों दुखी रहूं. So it is a fact. So doctor and the patient relationship about the obesity. Doctor tells, if you want to reduce your weight, what fits your busy schedule better? Exercising 1 hour a day or being dead 24 hours a day? So this is the advice you should give to your patient. How to treat obesity? Very simple. 3 categories: lifestyle modification, pharmacotherapy, and surgery. Pharmacotherapy, only 2 drugs available in the world to reduce the weight, but patient or the person has to reduce the diet and exercise with the drugs. Only tablet will never reduce the weight. Pharmacotherapy, only one, Orlistat and Rilnoban. There are 2 drugs available only in India. In the Western America, only 1 drug is available. They have not approved the Rilnoban for obesity in America. So surgery, everybody is aware of the bariatric surgery. If your BMI in Indian population, if it is more than 35, you can advise the patient to go for a bariatric surgery. Another risk factor, nicotine, smoking. You see, Indians very famous for gutkha, smoking, and अपना पान और कड़क ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको? 120, 300, and now Ratan is very famous nowadays. Now Ratan, these people are preparing. Once we had, I was going through this particular photograph, and I saw those particular people. They every day they prepare more than one pan shop, more than 1,000 to 2,000 one shop. Just 24 hours they are just लगाएंगे the Navratan or the pan and parcel. 10%, 20% वो एक आदमी आता है कार में बोलता है 10 पार्सल दे दो। मैं बोला पार्सल में क्या जा रहा है? ये बोलते हैं नवरत्न है सर। मैं बोला नवरत्न क्या होता है? नवरत्न तो मैंने अकबर के दरबार में देखा था। नहीं बोलता है सर पान का नवरत्न होता है। So it's very famous pan. Tobacco smoking is a very important cardiovascular risk factor, and not only for CVD, it is also a non-CVD risk factor in the form of multiple cancers all over the world. So it is the single most preventable cause of disease and death. Smoking causes high heart rate, increase in blood pressure, thrombogenesis, plaque instability, and endothelial dysfunction. Smoking helps you, but not in a living life in Kabristan. It takes you to the Kabristan. So please do not smoke. Wife is frustrated wife asks her husband, if you do not stop, I will declare the bedroom as a public place, because government has stopped, banned the smoking in the public spaces. And इतना स्मोकिंग करते हैं हम लोग कि बीड़ी काड़ी छोड़ देते रास्ते पे, तो ये स्पैरो भी पीने लगे हैं आजकल, ऐसा दिख रहा है. So dear friends, 30%, almost 30% of the Indian population smokes, and only 4% of the population drinks. This is the latest data. So I'm not promoting that all of you should drink and stop smoking. Everybody should stop drinking and smoking. But on a practical purposes, it is always better to have a drink rather than the smoke. I asked you permission, sir. Quit smoking, life is beautiful. Smoking kills, you can prevent it. And there are 5 ways of advising to your patient. They are famous in the world as 5 A's. Please ask the patient to quit, advise them, assess them, assist them, and arrange for some kind of help. So these are extremely important, and there is an acronym called as a STOP for smoking. Out of this, you must consider this. You can always advise the pharmacotherapy for the quitting of smoking in the form of nicotine replacement, bupropion, and the vernicillins. These drugs are freely available in our country, and you can always take the help of these drugs to quit smoking. Another psychosocial factors in the form of depression, anxiety, social isolation, panic disorders are extremely important. They cause unhealthy behaviors in the form of alcohol, smoke, drug abuse, and the treatments are available with the psychiatrist, behavioral intervention, drugs, and meditation. You see, the most important social psychosocial factor, बीवी से झगड़ा, साथ में सोते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे को मुंह नहीं देखते हैं. This is one of the most important psychosocial factors. Anxiety, लफड़ा हो गया, girlfriend से लफड़ा हो गया. All these factors are responsible for social, psychosocial depression and the cardiovascular disease. Hypertension is another extremely risk factor, important risk factor causing deaths. By definition, 140. Just now, Rahul has told us about the hypertension and little bit about the diabetes. By definition, everybody blood pressure should not be more than 140 systolic and 90 diastolic. But you must remember that risk doubles for every 20 millimeters of mercury of systolic blood pressure and 10 millimeters of diastolic blood pressure. So to keep our blood pressure below this level is extremely essential. This blood pressure causes hemodynamic stress on the blood vessel and heart, which causes increased myocardial oxygen demands, diminished coronary blood flow, and impaired endothelial dysfunction. JNC, as Rahul just discussed, is most important and most simple classification of the high blood pressure. Normal, pre-hypertension, stage 1, stage 2. Very, very simple. And in day-to-day practice, you must remember these 4 kinds of blood pressure. One is white coat hypertension. When the patient enters the clinic of the doctor with the white coat or appearance of the doctor, the blood pressure increases. Sustained hypertension, true normotension, and another important nowadays it is coming up, which is called as a masked hypertension. But now what is masked hypertension? Now as per the protocol, blood pressure is supposed to be checked at different venues. First is clinic of the doctor, second is office of the patient, and third is home of the patient. So 3 venues. So this masked hypertension is office BP is normal, clinic BP is normal, घर पे जाता है BP बढ़ जाता है. So masked hypertension of 2 types, घर पे and ambulatory. घर पे because BB है, ambulatory because girlfriend है. So hypertension management. Please, this statement is especially for you people, for the general practitioners. Please read it quite very nicely. There is an analysis, meta-analysis of 29 randomized controlled trial found that there was no significant difference in primary endpoint of major CVD event with ACE inhibitors, CCB calcium blockers, diuretics and beta blockers. BP lowering is more important than the class of the hypertension. This is more important for you people. These classes and everything is okay for cardiologists and general intensivists, all those people. For you people, the aim is to reduce the blood pressure. How you reduce is immaterial. And this is a fact. This doctor, very famous Turnbull, who has published this particular trial, that there is no need of making any issue of this particular classification of the antihypertensive drugs. So JNC recommendations. Last year there was a hue and cry, there were a lot of CMEs, I also was a part of it. Believe me, JNC has been dissolved. Now after dissolving, they are yet to form a new committee. Now what happened? All these people who were associated with JNC 8, individuals started giving their own protocol of how to treat the blood pressure. And that causes the chaos all over the world. So all these people, they are promoting only 4 classes of drug: ACE inhibitors, ARBs, CCBs and thiazides. Only 4 drugs to be used, and they have removed the beta blockers from the first line of treatment for hypertension. So in other words, conclusion of JNC 8 2014 is confusion. कोई एक सही रास्ता नहीं दिखा रहा. कोई बोलता है राइट में जाए, कोई बोलता है लेफ्ट में जाओ, कोई बोलता है ऊपर जाओ, कोई बोलता है नीचे जाओ. So please forget it. What is the best for your patient? Use any class of drug and reduce the blood pressure of your patient. Nothing will happen. So management of hypertension is diet, which is called as a DASH, exercise, antihypertensive medication, lifestyle modification, and of course smoking. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए पेशेंट 2 पेशेंट एक साथ में बात कर रहे हैं. डॉक्टर सेड आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन माय हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. वेल, हियर आई एम. वेयर इज ही? इन हर गलिया. There are certain gullies where you get the naked female, that fellow, to reduce the blood pressure, he went to that gully and enjoying his life. So another way of reducing the blood pressure is doctor to change the dress code. He should become a joker to make him laugh and reduce his blood pressure. So these are the different ways of reducing blood pressure. Last risk factor, and the king of the risk factor, is diabetes. Diabetes is like an angry cat. You can see that